Dr. Lindsey and Wendy here. It's a real brief video, 6 months follow-up on 1,000 FUEs on an Asian fellow's primarily left hairline. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and follow us on our social media channels, or whatever you call them. So this fella came in, and he's, 29 or 30?
I think it's a little bit older than that, but he looks younger.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And he wanted his hairline made more symmetric. That left side had come up a ways. And so we did FUE on him, and here he is at the end of the case, and here's his donor site. And then here he is when he popped in last month at 6 months.
Yeah.
And remember, it takes 13 months typically for you to get a final result. And so this is a little better growth than I would expect.
Yeah, it's FUE, so FUE is a little bit slower growing than the strip, I think.
Yep.
Yeah, but yeah, he looks really good.
And here's his the back of his head with his normal haircut, and then here's a close-up of his donor scars, which you really can't find.
Yeah.
And no donor depletion. And if he loses more hair down the road, we've got plenty of hair to go after. So, although many of you guys will know that I definitely prefer strip over FUE, if the customer wants FUE and they're a reasonable candidate, we'll do this. And this is a case where the guy probably picked correctly.
Yeah, because
he needed a little bit,
yeah.
and he really wears a short haircut. So if we can help you, please give us a call. Thanks.